How to fix Canva cannot export design. To fix a Canva export failure, first of all, try switching the download file type. Lower the quality settings or export your document in smaller page batches. And also, export errors are typically caused by the corrupted elements, so try clearing the cache of the application. Go ahead and launch your device's app drawer and also make sure to force close the application from your background as well. And also make sure to save your project before you close the application. Now open your app drawer or app gallery. Locate the Canva icon, long press it, access the app info panel, scroll downwards to the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache. Reload the application itself, then open the exact file that you wanted to export. Once you find it, go ahead and try exporting once again. If it does not work, try to lower the quality. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.